Now proceeding further, we will study the formula method of solving a quadratic equation. Before that, let us see what do you mean by discriminant. Discriminant. Suppose your equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. B square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Now let us see what is the meaning of the discriminant and what is the use. So what we saw, that b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant. Now what is the use of this discriminant? You can calculate this value, put the value of b, put the value of a, put the value of c, you will get one value. Now if this value is less than 0, then this means that the quadratic equation does not have real roots. Roots means the answers what we find or the value of x. Okay, so it does not have real roots. No real roots. That means if it is below 0, that is if it is negative number. Suppose your b square minus 4ac, when you calculate, you get it equal to 0. Equal to 0 means you are going to get two roots and the roots are equal. Real and equal. Real and equal roots. Suppose you get x is equal to 3 and again you get x is equal to 3. Sometimes you get two different values when you solve x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 4. कभी कभी क्या होता है, both the places you get the same number, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3. That time if you check, b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. And if you get it greater than 0, if your b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then you are going to have real roots and unequal. Unequal means you will get two values and both values will be different. When you solve, don't you get two values of x? Okay, sometimes you get the same number, both the places. Sometimes you get different. So suppose they have given you an equation, quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and without solving the root you should be able to tell what is the nature of the roots. Then find out this value b square minus 4ac and check if it is negative, if it is equal to 0 or if it is greater than 0. Accordingly you can comment. Now coming to practice set 2.5, because what I have taught you, first we will solve the sums regarding to that and then go to the next topic. So question number 1, quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now they are giving you b square minus 4ac is 5 and second they are giving b square minus 4ac is minus 5. You have to write the nature of roots. So on the first box what you will write? B square minus 4ac is 5. 5 is a positive number greater than 0. So here on the first box you will write roots are real and unequal. And down for negative less than 0 what you will write? Real roots does not exist or no real roots. Okay. After that you will come to question number 2. Find the value of discriminant. First equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 1. B square minus 4ac calculate. Second also same, third also same. Write the value of a, b and c and calculate what is b square minus 4ac equal to. Third one also the same. Determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. So first you will find what is b square minus 4ac, that is the discriminant, and then you will check if it is less than 0, you write no real roots. If it is equal to 0, write real and equal, and if it is greater than 0, you will write real and unequal. So depending on that you are going to write. So this 2.5 you will write question number 1, and you will write question number 2 and question number 3. Now exercise 2.5, see the question number 2, third sum. They are asking you the value of discriminant. So the equation is root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. A is root 2, b is 4 and c is 2 root 2. The discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Put the value, calculate 0. That's it. They are only asking you what is the discriminant. They have not asked you to comment on the nature of the roots. So कुछ नहीं करना है, खाली b square minus 4ac find out and divide. Next is question number 3 ka third. They have given you the equation and they are asking you to comment on the nature of the roots. So first what we will do, a, b and c, write down the values. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Substitute, solve, you get minus 32. Now this is less than 0, so no real root exists. Okay, so this is how you are going to solve.